how to write an effective prompt. That is more important, because if you don't follow the algorithm, if you don't follow the pattern, if you don't follow the rule, you will not get the exact output. In the upcoming videos, I will in the upcoming PPT, I will show you that how you can write the how you can write the better prompt, so that you can get the better output from ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. And I am sure in advanced level I will explain few pattern, I will explain few I will provide few examples, I will provide you some prompt. I am confident that you have never heard that prompt, you have never used that prompt. I'm pretty confident, and the result will be super powerful, and the result will be pretty awesome. So we are starting from the basic. The basic thing is how to write effective prompt. The first thing is, first rule number one is, you have to become clear and specific what you want from ChatGPT, what you are saying to what you are telling to ChatGPT. You have to become very clear and specific. So we will take one example. How? Suppose you are telling ChatGPT, suppose you are telling ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, explain me the what is digital marketing, because I don't know anything about digital marketing. I just want to know what is digital marketing. So what will happen is, ChatGPT will provide a broad, a detailed, a informative information about digital marketing. It is understanding purpose, it is knowledge purpose, it is pretty okay. For understanding purpose it is pretty okay, but if you want to get some specific answer, if you want to get some accurate answer, you need to modify your prompt. So now we will take the example and we will practice. Let's see, suppose I am copying this and I will go to ChatGPT. This is the interface of ChatGPT. Please mute yourself. Okay, so this is the interface of ChatGPT, and the updated version now is 4.0. Okay, so now I will paste my prompt and I will say, explain to me what is digital marketing. So what will happen is, it will produce a broad information for about digital marketing. For understanding purpose, for knowledge purpose, it is pretty good. Okay, so let's see. Digital marketing refers to use of digital channel. Okay, key components of digital marketing. Here it is: search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, pay per click. For understanding purpose, for knowledge purpose, it is pretty good. So you can read it and you can take the information, you can take the idea out of it, and you can utilize for your project. Okay, so now for me what I will do is, I don't need it, I need some specific answer. Specific answer is, suppose I want to start a local business, or I have a local business, so I want to know that how digital marketing can help to the local businesses. Suppose I am starting my a local business, or I already have an existing local businesses. So what I will do is, I want to take the information that how the digital marketing part can help me. Okay, in your case might be the subject might be different, might be in your case might be data science, it might be any other programming language like Python, SQL, any kind of thing. Suppose you need to explain your problem and your desired outcome. What is your problem and what you want to get from ChatGPT? That is the main thing you need to mention. Suppose here I have taken one example. Instead of asking what is digital marketing, I will ask, I already have a business, I already have a local business, and how I can take the help of digital marketing so that I can improve my business. So now see the quality of content, it will be changed. The quality of content, now here you have seen, is a broad answer, it has given all the detailed information, it has given, but I don't need it as of now. I need some specific answer. Specific answer is that I already have a local business, or I want to start a local business, so how digital marketing can help me. So now see the quality of content, see the pattern of content, it will be completely changed. See, key components, key concepts of in digital marketing: online presence, targeted advertising. So these are the things I need to do: search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, pay per click. This is the it. How digital marketing can help local businesses. See now it is providing me the exact output so that I can get help out of it. So how it can help, that I can increase the visibility, I can reach to my targeted audience, cost effective, custom engagement, brand building, data driven insights, online reviews and reputation management, all these things. So now I think you have got the idea that instead of asking a single question, instead of asking a single prompt, instead of giving a single prompt to ChatGPT, you need to specify, you need to become a clear, you need to have a clear question, what you are providing and what you want to get from ChatGPT, you need to clear it. Okay, so the next example, this is the one of the example. I think you have got the idea how you can write a better prompt. This is the basic only I am explaining. Next, the next example, in the rule number one, that is be clear and specific. So whatever you will ask, it should be clear and specific. The example number two, suppose you want to buy a car. Okay, you want to buy a car and you are a little confused that which car you should buy. Suppose you should buy a electric car, you should buy a gasoline car, you should buy a luxury car, you should buy a the normal the mileage car. So in any kind of, based on your requirement. So suppose you are asking ChatGPT, I want to buy a car, suggest which car should I buy. So here your question, your prompt is not clear. ChatGPT will confuse and ChatGPT will ask, okay, so what is your budget? You did not tell me anything. You did not tell what is your budget, what is your purpose, anything. A lots of questions ChatGPT will ask. It will ask at least 4, 5, 6 questions. It will ask because this question, this prompt is not clear. Okay, but look the better prompt. Better prompt is, you are telling ChatGPT describe the features and benefits, because I need to compare the features, I need to compare the benefits of of the latest electric cars compared to traditional gasoline cars. So I am little confused about electric car and the gasoline car. Which car should I take? So I am little confused. And what are the things I need to measure? I need to measure two things. That is the features and the benefits. How I will get the benefit and what are the features are available. So if I ask this kind of question, see, let me take the first question. You will get the idea. Please mute yourself. Suppose if I ask this, if I give this normal prompt, what ChatGPT will say, it will ask me few questions. See, okay, to suggest the best car for you, I would need some additional information to tailor my recommendation to your needs. See, it is asking what is your budget, your purpose, fuel type, what you want, size and spaces, then features, what kind do you want, brand preference do you have or not. See, it's asking a lots of questions because your question is not clear, your prompt is not clear. Now I will take the better prompt and I will copy it. I will go to ChatGPT and I will paste it. Now see the result. The detailed information you will get. Even okay, let it be. See, now it is saying features of electric cars. Now it is providing all the details. Features of electric cars: battery powered, okay, zero emissions, okay, instant torque, okay, advanced technology, okay, quiet operation, okay, range and charging. All the detailed information it has given. Now it's provide. As of now, it has given the features. Okay, now it's giving benefits of electric cars compared to gasoline cars. Here are the benefits. So now you are taking the inspiration that okay, this is the thing, this is the benefit, this is the features. So now I can take the decision. So now environmental impact, cost efficiency, performance, convenience, technology integration, okay, and all these things. See, again, what I will do is here I wanted only the features. I wanted only the features and the benefits. So now again I will modify this chat. I will master this chat. So what I will do is at the end, you suggest me which car should I buy. So now I am telling ChatGPT at the end, you have compared everything. You have compared the features, you have compared the benefits, everything you have compared, and now you suggest me what kind of which car should I buy. Should I buy the electric car or should I buy the gasoline car? So now see the prompt. Now the see the result. Now it will compare, it will provide me the features and all those things. At the end it will provide me the suggestion also that you should buy this kind of car. Okay, it producing the result. Okay, let me check. Electric cars, the benefit, the Okay, features and benefit of the latest electric cars compared to traditional gasoline car. One, environmental impact. For electric car it is this, for gasoline car, see how detailed it has explained, so that you are not supposed to ask to your friend, or you are not supposed to go to a showroom and you need to ask, you please explain me what are the benefits. He or she will she may tell you that five features, five benefits, which are actually benefited, actually features, but they may not tell you the loopholes, what are the problems and what are the things are there. But it has explained, chat gpt or any other large language model, it has explained every details, positive also, negative also, you will get. So electric cars, this is the benefit, this is the features and all those things, performance, gasoline car. And now it has given the second, suggested car based on your needs. So now ChatGPT is providing me, it is suggesting me that which car should I buy. To recommend the best car for you, I will need to consider your specific needs, preference and budget. However, there is a general recommendation. If you value environmental sustainability, lower long term cost and the latest technology, consider the electric car. It is saying, consider an electric car, some popular models. Even see, I did not ask for the model, which model should I buy. So see, considering an electric car, some popular models include the Tesla Model 3, Hyundai Ioniq, okay, 5, Nissan Leaf, like this. Okay, so see, if you are prioritizing range, convenience in refueling, and more traditional driving experience, so see, it has given me the suggestion also, that I have compared these, I have explained all the features, I have explained all the benefits, and I am also suggesting you need to take this kind of car based on your interest, based on your requirement. So see how the quality of the content, I think you have got the idea. Suppose you are asking to your friend or any other showroom guy, so he or she may not give you this much details. Of course, they can, but they will not provide. They will highlight only the positive part, the negative part they will ignore. But here, what will happen is you will get all the detailed information, negative part also, and the positive part also, so that you can take the detailed information out of it. Okay, so I think you have got the idea how to write a better prompt as of now. Just I have mentioned one example.